In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Google as homepage in Brave browser. If you use the Brave browser regularly and would like Google to appear automatically whenever you launch the browser, this quick tutorial will guide you through the entire process. It only takes a few moments to configure, and once it's set up, you'll be taken directly to Google every time you open Brave. This can make browsing more convenient, especially if Google is the search engine you use most often. To begin, open the Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser is open, look toward the upper right corner of the window. There, you'll find the main menu icon. Click on it to reveal a list of available options. From the menu, select Settings. This will open the browser's settings page where you can customize various features and preferences. After entering the settings area, you'll see several categories on the page. One of the first sections available is Get Started. While you're here, you may also notice an option that allows Brave to become your default browser. If that's something you'd like to do, you can enable it. However, for this tutorial, we'll focus on setting Google to open automatically when the browser starts. Within the Get Started section, locate the Startup settings. You'll see a few different choices available. One option opens a new tab page each time Brave launches. Another continues from where you left off during your last browsing session, and a third option allows you to open a specific page or set of pages whenever the browser starts. Choose the option to open a specific page or set of pages. Then click Add a new page. A field will appear where you can enter the website address that you want Brave to open automatically. In that field, type www.google.com. After entering the address, click Add to save the page. Once it has been added successfully, you can close the settings page. To confirm that everything is working correctly, close the Brave browser completely and then open it again. When the browser launches, Google should appear automatically as your startup page. This means the setup was successful, and your preferred page will now load each time you start Brave. And that's all there is to it. Setting Google as your startup page in Brave is a simple adjustment that can help streamline your browsing experience and save a little time every day. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.